Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS3355. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to a Wi-Fi network with your mobile phone. First of all, you need to press this button, press and hold this button for 3 seconds, and mobile phone will be highlighting on the control panel. The mobile phone will be highlighting on the LCD screen. Then you release the button. It will show you Wi-Fi icon. You need to wait until you see 2 lines on the Wi-Fi. You will wait for 2 lines to show. Now you can see that the 2 lines are now highlighting, and also the Wi-Fi icon is highlighting. The power on button is highlighting. What that means is the printer is in a wireless mode. The next thing to do is, if you are using your mobile phone, scan the QR code. Use your mobile phone to scan the QR code. Once you scan the QR code, select open link. It will take you to Android. It will take you for you to type the printer name to select the software. So if you type the product name, if you scroll down and look for Pixma TS3355. You can select the part number, and once you select it, it will take you to Play Store for you to install Canon Print app. So go to your Play Store and install Canon Print app. Canon Print app is already downloaded on my phone, so I'm going to open it up. So download it, install and download it on your mobile phone, then open it up. This is the app you need. I have different printer here, so I'm going to remove the printer that I got here, delete, then go back, then select search. And in some cases, it will ask you to allow location and give all the necessary permission. So it's searching for the printer. Is your printer listed below? So I'm going to select no. When your printer is dictated on the next screen, tap the button to connect to your printer. Then you select next. So the printer is found Canon IJ TS3355 series. Then you select connect. Connected. Processing. Now, you found the network. The printer will be connected to the following wireless router SSID. Then you select no or yes. So select yes. Then it will ask you to enter the password. So I have the information here. You get the password from the back of your network router. So I'm going to type the details. Double check the information to make sure the information you put are correct. Then you select OK. It's communicating with the printer. This may take 150 seconds. So if you look on the printer, the power on light is still flashing and the Wi-Fi is still going around. The printer is connected. You can see the recession. The printer is connected and the light is no longer flashing, and you will see this. So I'm going to close this, and this is the printer TS3355 series. So this printer now is connected. I want us to print a document to confirm that the printer is working. To print document, select document print. So from this app, you can photo print, document print, scan, smartphone copy, cloud copy, creative pack. So you can do so many things with this app. What we want to do now is to print out a document. So select document print. Then it will ask you for you to select document or photo from cloud service or cloud service photo or document. Then select documents. Then it will take you to your mobile device for you to select the document you want to print. So this is the document we want to print. Select next. We want to print specific page. Then you select page 1:1. So you want to print only page 1. I'm going to show you how to print two-sided manually with this printer. So we're going to print 1:1. It's 2-page document, but we're going to print page 1. Then you select OK. Then change settings, select number of copies, A4, plain paper, and want to print it in color. Then select print. It will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. Then reload the paper. I want us to print two-sided, so reload the paper on the tray. Reload the paper with the printable area facing up. The information is already at the back. Then confirm the paper as A4. Then the next thing to do is we want to print the second page. So select next, then select page. We want to print page 2, 2 of 2, 2 of 2. Then you select OK. Then it will ask you to change settings. Select number of copies, A4, same as original. We want to print it in color. Then you select print. This is the document, and it will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK, and this is the document we printed out two-sided in color. So this is how to connect this printer with your mobile phone to a wireless network. Print document. We printed this document in color and two-sided manually. Thank you very much indeed.